Hi everyone, my name is Derek Bile. I'm the product manager for our Control4 hardware solutions. Today we're showing some really cool products here. Right on this shelf here we have all of our controller hardware products that allow you to scale from the smallest jobs all the way to the largest jobs where you're doing hundreds of devices or just IoT device control. Right here on this screen right here we're showing our configuration utility Composer Pro, which allows the integrator and the technician to service their job, deploy to the job site, super easy, super fast, and make a really reliable implementation. Over here we have our new T5 touchscreen and our Lux. This is brand new for this year, just launched a couple of months ago. It's showing X4, which is a InfoComm Best of Show winner with rAVe, and it has a new interface that allows the end user to configure, allows the integrator to deploy both residential and commercial jobs super easily, super seamlessly, and allows it to match throughout the home, business, or what have you, with different trim rings and lighting solutions. Oh, and our website is adiglobal.com.